Hi guys, it's Saturday the 6th of January. I'm back at Tottenham's new stadium site just to give you an update of what's happening here, or what's happened in the last 7 days. It does look to me already that an awful lot has been carried out in the last 7 days, so it's very, very impressive. It's freezing cold here this morning, so I'm just going to walk around the stadium now. I'm going to say those magic words. As you can see, a lot of panels have been put in. Especially on this west stand side. So this is the back of Percy House, which is the new home of the Tottenham Foundation. Seems to be quite busy here this morning, although it is absolutely freezing cold. Now, just to give you an idea of size for the new Tottenham shop, it is absolutely huge. It will be Europe's biggest football club shop. So this is the view outside White Hart Lane station, and right opposite White Hart Lane station actually is a depot, clip fine, and that is where all of the materials, all the steel work go before it ends up at the new stadium. So just showing you White Hart Lane station now. You can see it's still boarded up. And this is what the station, the new station, will look like. In this picture it does say White Hart Lane still, but I have heard many rumours that the station will be renamed Tottenham Hotspur. I'm actually stood in Whitehall Street just to get this fantastic view of the stadium. As you can hear, there is an awful lot going on this morning. A lot of work has been carried out this week on the roof, on the upper part of the stadium. And yet another piece just about to be installed. I know I've said it many times, but it's fantastic to see on a weekend the amount of work that is being carried out. And yet again, there are so many changes here within the last 7 days. So work continues on Tottenham's new shop. There have been a lot of deliveries this morning as well. Now another one coming in. Everywhere you look there are pieces of steel, there are other materials just about to be installed. So as I keep saying, there is an awful lot going on. You can see here that more steel work has gone in on this side. Just going to walk around now to the south stand. Now look at that. You can see the growth in the south stand, the amount of steel that has been installed in the last 7 days. It is quite incredible. And yet another piece going in. They're putting these pieces in one by one, but they are going in quite rapidly. So that is a part of the south stand. And no doubt in the next few weeks the fixings will be going in, and then of course the seats will be installed. So I'm now in Park Lane. As I turn round, you can get an idea of the size of the south stand. Now, the large piece of steel there on the right hand side wasn't there last week, so that has been installed. These huge trees have got bigger and bigger. can see as well on the east stand side, a lot of work is being carried out on the roof. So I'm now stood at the junction of Vicarage Road. And this is the view you get. So we've got the south stand on the left and the east stand on the right. So more deliveries have just turned up. Hi guys, so I hope you've enjoyed today's stadium update video. Please like, please comment and please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you tomorrow at the Wimbledon game. Come on you Spurs.